Take a vessel, transparent vessel. Transparent vessel is filled with water, half of its water. Half of its water. When coconut oil is poured at the top of the surface, water surface. Coconut oil is poured at the top of the surface. This is coconut oil. This one is water. Put the lid at the top of the vessel surface. Put the lid at the top of the vessel and make 2 holes. One hole is in 2 thermometers are inserted in 2 holes. One thermometer lies between hot water and another thermometer lies the coconut oil. Another activity aimed ikkada, take a transparent vessel. Vessel is filled with half of its volume of the water. Pour coconut oil in the water surface. On the water surface, put a lid. Has 2 holes on the top of the surface of the vessel. Take 2 thermometers. One thermometer is inserted in hot water. The vessel in water is maintained. The temperature is 60 degrees. Take a vessel is filled with water. Is in hot water. The temperature is in 60 degrees. And pour some coconut oil on the top of the surface. 2 thermometers. One thermometer is inserted in water and another thermometer is inserted in coconut oil. What we observe? In every 5 minutes, what we have to observe? We observe every 2 minutes you have to observe the temperature of the temperature of the water decreases and the temperature of the coconut oil increases. The average, what we have to observe every 2 minutes, the temperature of the coconut oil increases. The temperature of the water decreases. And the average kinetic energy of the molecules of the coconut oil increases. The average kinetic energy of the molecules of the water decreases. The kinetic energy of the water decreases, kinetic energy of coconut oil increases. The water loses energy and coconut oil gains energy. Coconut oil gains energy. So temperature means the direction of heat flow. That flow ఎక్కడి నుంచి ఎక్కడికి వెళ్తుంది? Water to oil. Which temperature increases? Oil temperature increases comparatively with water. What is the temperature of water? 60 degrees. After 10 minutes, the temperature in water decreases. After 10 minutes, the temperature of water decreases. In which 5 minutes, which temperature increases? Coconut oil temperature increases. Every 10 minutes, every 5 minutes, every 2 minutes we observe it. Which temperature increases? Coconut oil temperature increases. So the average kinetic energy of the molecules is directly proportional to its absolute temperature. So the kinetic energy, water loses energy and coconut oil gains energy. The average kinetic energy of the molecules of water decreases, and coconut oil increases. Okay. Next another one. The rate of rise in temperature depends upon nature of the substance. How can you prove it? The rate of rise in temperature depends on nature of the substance. How can you prove? Take a large beaker. Beaker is filled with water. The water is maintained at the temperature is 80 degrees temperature. The water is maintained at the temperature is 80 degrees. Take two boiling test tubes. Test tubes, boiling test tubes, different. The area of cross section of test tube is very small and boiling test tube area of cross section is very large. So, what we take? Two boiling test tubes. One boiling test tube is filled with 50 grams of water. 50 grams of water. Another boiling test tube is 50 grams of coconut oil. 50 grams of coconut oil. The two boiling test tubes with single hole rubber cork. When one thermometer is inserted in water, take two thermometers. One thermometer is inserted in water and another thermometer is inserted in coconut oil. So, the two boiling test tubes and they both are clamped with retard strand. This is the arrangement. So, take a large beaker. Beaker is filled with water. Water is maintained at the temperature is 80 degrees centigrade. Take two boiling test tubes One is filled with coconut oil and another one is filled with water. The two boiling test tubes have single hole rubber core. In single hole rubber core we have to fit two thermometers in two boiling test tubes. One thermometer is fixed in water and another thermometer is fixed in coconut oil. The two boiling test tubes are clamped with retard stand. So every 2 minutes we observe what happened. The temperature of coconut oil is increased comparatively with water. So the coconut oil, the temperature increases, and in water the temperature decreases. Every 2 minutes, every 3 minutes, every 5 minutes you have to observe what happened. The coconut oil temperature is increases. And the rate of rise in temperature in the coconut oil is increases comparatively with rise in temperature of water. So the kinetic energy water to compare cheste coconut oil lo increasing temperature ekkuva kanipistundi. So the rise in temperature depends upon nature of the substance. Different materials and different liquids have different temperatures. In both the test tubes, what we observe, the rise in temperature is in coconut oil increases and water decreases. Water loses energy, coconut oil gains the energy. So the rate of rise in temperature depends on nature of the substance. ఈ విధంగా తీసుకో. నెక్స్ట్ Next, derive Q is equal to ms into delta T. How can you derive it? Take 250 ml of water in one beaker. Take another beaker 1 liter. Take two beakers. One is filled with 250 ml. And another beaker is filled with 1 liter. Same amount of heat is supplied on it. Which beaker need more time? And the two beakers are maintained at the temperature is in 60 degrees. How much of heat is transmitted to two beakers? Till 60 degrees. In this beaker the temperature is 60 degrees maintained, and in this beaker the temperature is also maintained at 60 degrees. In which beaker takes more time? In this beaker the volume is very low. In this beaker the volume is very high comparatively with the smaller beaker. So the larger beaker takes more time comparatively with smaller beaker. So ikkada first case even తీసుకుంటున్నాము case 1. Take two beakers. One beaker is filled with 250 ml and another beaker is filled with 1 liter and 1000 ml water. So these two beakers, the same amount of heat is supplied on it. The two beakers maintained at the temperature is 60 degrees. 60 degrees temperature కు వచ్చేటంత వరకు మనం హీట్ ని సప్లై చేయాలి. So in which beaker has need more time? Larger beaker takes more time comparatively with smaller beaker. అంటే the same temperature, the quantity of heat absorbed by the substance is directly proportional to the mass of the substance. అంటే heat is supplied, mass is also, mass ఎక్కువగా ఉండే కొలది హీట్ అనేది సప్లై అవుతూనే ఉంటుంది ఎప్పటికీ సేమ్ టెంపరేచర్ వచ్చేటంత వరకు. అంటే ది సేమ్ టెంపరేచర్, ది క్వాంటిటీ ఆఫ్ హీట్ absorbed by the substance is directly proportional to mass. And Q is directly proportional to M. Okay? Larger mass has larger heat. Smaller mass has to produce smaller heat. We supply the heat is in less. We supply the heat is in more. Next, case 2. Take 1 liter of water. You have to take 1 liter. The amount of heat is supplied. Heat is supplied every 2 minutes. We observe the readings of thermometers. The temperature is also increases. And the temperature increases with the time. Second case lo em తీసుకున్నాము. Take 1 liter volume of water. When heat is supplied on it, you take the reading of thermometer. Every 2 minutes we observe the temperature increases. It is same mass of the substance, the quantity and the temperature is directly proportional to the quantity of heat absorbed by it. ఇక్కడ ఏంటిది same mass of the substance, the temperature is directly proportional to quantity of heat absorbed by it. So Q is proportional to delta. Q is proportional to delta. So ఇక్కడ case 1, case 2. Case 1 లో 250 ml 1 liter వాల్యూమ్ తీసుకున్నాం. ఇక్కడ టెంపరేచర్ సేమ్ గా ఉంది. ఇక్కడ ఏం తీసుకున్నాం, 1 liter వాల్యూమ్ తీసుకున్నాం. ఇక్కడ హీట్ సప్లై చేస్తున్నాం. హీట్ ని ఇచ్చే కొలది every 2 minutes we observe the reading of thermometer. Thermometer increase, the temperature of thermometer increases with time. Time కి అనుగుణంగా ఇంక్రీజ్ అవుతూనే ఉంటుంది. So same mass of the substance, the temperature is directly proportional to heat absorbed by. And heat increase అయ్యే కొలది thermometer temperature increase అవుతుంది. So Q is proportional to M, Q is proportional to delta. Delta T means the temperature and the thermometer temperature is in increases, room temperature to higher temperature. So that is called temperature difference. Lower temperature to higher temperature. So T2 minus T1. Q is proportional to M into from 1 and 2. Q is proportional to M into delta T. Q Q is equal to ms into delta T. M mass of the substance, ప్రపోర్షనాలిటీ లోంచి ఈక్వాలిటీలోకి తీసుకొని వస్తే సమ్ కాన్స్టెంట్ కావాలి. ఆ కాన్స్టెంటే స్పెసిఫిక్ హీట్. What is specific heat? What is a specific heat? The amount of heat required to raise the temperature of 1 unit mass of the substance at 1 degree centigrade. 1 unit mass of the substance by 1 unit is called specific heat. So, ఇక్కడ ఏం తీసుకున్నాం? Q is equal to ms into delta T. Most important. Take 2 beakers. One is filled with 250 ml and another one is filled with 1 liter. The 2 beakers, when heat is supplied on it, the 2 beakers maintained at the temperature is 60 degrees. Which beaker need more time? Larger beaker takes more time. When heat supplied on it, to get more time to take 60 degrees temperature. So the same temperature, the quantity of heat absorbed by the substance is directly proportional to mass. Proportional to mass. Q is proportional to M. Next another one. The same mass of the substance, the temperature is, and take 1 liter beaker. When heat is supplied, thermometer is inserted in it. Every 2 minutes you have to observe the changes in thermometer. The thermometer increases with time. So same mass of the substance, the temperature is directly proportional to heat absorbed by it. So Q is proportional to delta T. Left hand sides are same, right hand sides ni product chesam. Q is proportional to M into delta T. ms into delta T. Proportionality లోంచి ఈక్వాలిటీ లోకి తీసుకొని వస్తే సమ్ కాన్స్టెంట్, అది S is equal to Q by M into delta T. So delta T decreases, specific heat increases. Delta T increases, specific heat decreases. S is inversely proportional to delta T. So specific heat is different for different materials. Suppose you have to, lowest specific heat of the substance is lead, value 0.031, mercury 0.033, copper 0.095, ice 0.05, ice 0.5, kerosene 0.5. Highest specific heat, water 1 value. Sea water 0.095. So lowest specific heat కలిగినది lead, highest specific heat water. స్పెసిఫిక్ హీట్కి వచ్చేసరికి అంటే మనం వాటర్కి హై స్పెసిఫిక్ హీట్ ఉండడం వల్ల మన స్టవ్ మీద పెట్టగానే ఆయిల్ వాటర్ తీసుకున్నారనుకోండి, విచ్ వన్ ఈజ్ టేక్స్ మోర్ హీట్? అంటే ఆయిల్ ఏది త్వరగా వేడెక్కుతుంది అంటే ఆయిల్ త్వరగా వేడెక్కుతుంది వాటర్తో కంపేర్ చేస్తే. అంటే ఇలా జరుగుతోంది అంటే దానికి రీజన్ ఏంటి అంటే వాటర్కి హై స్పెసిఫిక్ హీట్ ఉంటుంది. అంటే వాటర్ని బాయిల్ చేయడానికి కానీ కూల్ చేయడానికి కానీ చాలా ఎక్కువ టైం తీసుకుంటుంది. ఇప్పుడు సపోజ్ స్టవ్ మీద వాటర్ పెట్టగానే అది బాయిల్ అవ్వడానికి టైం తీసుకుంటుంది. ముందు వెజల్ హీట్ ఎక్కిన తర్వాత ముందు బాటమ్ సర్ఫేస్లో ఉండే వాటర్ హీట్ అవుతుంది, తర్వాత బాటమ్ సర్ఫేస్ నుంచి టాప్ సర్ఫేస్లోకి వెళ్తుంది, టాప్ సర్ఫేస్ నుంచి వాటర్ మాలిక్యూల్ డౌన్వర్డ్ డైరెక్షన్లోకి వస్తాయి. అలా సైమల్టేనియస్గా వాటర్ బాయిల్ అవుతుంది. అంటే ఇక్కడ ఇవి రెండు అంటే వాటర్కి హై స్పెసిఫిక్ హీట్ ఉండడం వల్ల వాటర్ వేడెక్కడానికి కానీ కూల్ అవ్వడానికి కానీ చాలా టైం తీసుకుంటుంది. సో స్పెసిఫిక్ హీట్ ఆఫ్ వాటర్ ఈజ్ 1. S is equal to Q by M into delta T. Delta T, the average kinetic energy of the molecules increases, specific heat decreases. If it decreases, specific heat increases. The rate of rise in temperature depends on nature of the substance. The molecules of all the molecules have internal energy. Internal energy means 4 energies: potential energy, linear kinetic energy, rotational kinetic energy, kinetic energy. Potential energy ఉంటుంది, linear kinetic energy, rotational kinetic energy, vibrational kinetic energy. Particles ki ఇవి 4 the 4 energies are included with internal energy. Internal energy అంటే బాడీకి ఏమేమి ఉండాలి? పొటెన్షియల్ ఎనర్జీ ఉండాలి, కైనెటిక్ ఎనర్జీ ఉండాలి, రొటేషనల్ కైనెటిక్ ఎనర్జీ ఉండాలి, వైబ్రేషనల్ కైనెటిక్. ఈ 4 energies are involved in the molecule is called internal energy. Suppose S is equal to Q by M into delta T. Specific heat. What are the units of specific heat? Definition ఏంటి? The amount of heat required to raise the temperature of 1 unit mass of the substance by 1 unit. The amount of heat required to raise the temperature of 1 unit mass of the substance by 1 unit is called specific heat. Units of specific heat. Specific heat in MK system, heat ki units ఏంటి? joule, mass kilogram, Kelvin, temperature ni Kelvin. In MKS system, calorie per cubic units, calorie, gram, centigrade. So, ikkada specific heat, what are the units of specific heat? Joule per kilogram Kelvin, or CGS system lo calorie per gram degrees centigrade. హీట్ ని CGS లో కెలోరీస్ లో చెప్తాం, మాస్ ని గ్రామ్స్ లో చెప్తాం, టెంపరేచర్ ని డిగ్రీ సెంటీగ్రేడ్. వాట్ ఈస్ కెలోరీ? కెలోరీ డెఫినిషన్ ఏమిటి? ది అమౌంట్ ఆఫ్ హీట్ రిక్వైర్డ్ టు రైజ్ ది 1 gram of a substance at 1 degree centigrade. 1 gram of a substance at 1 degree centigrade is called calorie. 1 calorie is equal to 4.186 joules. లేదా calorie is equal to 4.186 joules. దీన్నే 4.2 joules గా చెప్తాం. 1 kilocalorie is equal to 4.2 into 10 cube joules per kilogram Kelvin. ఇలా అయినా చెప్పచ్చు. ఇది specific heat definition. Calorie definition: the amount of heat required to raise the temperature of 1 gram of substance at 1 degree centigrade is called calorie. Specific heat changes from material to material. Ice has lowest specific heat of the substance is lead. Highest specific heat of the substance is water. Next, kerosene and ice cubes ఇవన్నీ కూడా మిడిల్ లో ఉంటాయి. నెక్స్ట్, applications of specific heat. Applications of specific heat. What are the applications of specific heat? Samosa, you have to eat a samosa. సమోసా హాట్గా ఉన్న సమోసాని తీసుకుని వచ్చి ఒక ప్లేట్లో పెట్టామనుకోండి, ఏం జరుగుతుంది? అవుటర్ లేయర్ అనేది మనకి చూస్తున్నట్లయితే త్వరగా కూల్ అయిపోయినట్లు అనిపిస్తుంది. అది నోట్లో పెట్టుకునేటప్పుడు ఏమవుతుంది అంటే హాట్నెస్ తెలుస్తుంది. లోపల ఉండేటటువంటి ఇంగ్రీడియంట్స్, సమోసాలో ఉండేటటువంటి ఇంగ్రీడియంట్స్ ఆ కర్రీకి హయ్యర్ స్పెసిఫిక్ హీట్ ఉంటుంది కంపారిటివ్లీ విత్ అవుటర్ లేయర్. సో అంటే దాని గ్రేటర్ స్పెసిఫిక్ హీట్ ఉండడం వల్ల మనం వెంటనే చల్లారిపోయిందని తింటే నోరు కాలిపోవడం జరుగుతుంది. నెక్స్ట్ అదేవిధంగా ఎగ్ తీసుకున్నారనుకోండి, బాయిల్డ్ ఎగ్ షెల్ ఓపెన్ చేసేసి మనం అక్కడ పెట్టినట్లయితే వైట్ అంతా కూడా మనకి కూల్ అయిపోయినట్లు అనిపిస్తుంది. సరేనండి, తిన్నప్పుడు ఆ ఎగ్ యోక్కి హై స్పెసిఫిక్ హీట్ ఉంటుంది కంపారిటివ్లీ విత్ అవుటర్ లేయర్. సో గ్రేటర్ స్పెసిఫిక్ హీట్ ఉంటుంది. నెక్స్ట్ అలాగే వెన్ వి టేక్ ఏ వాటర్ మెలన్, కట్ ఇన్ టు 2 halves, one is keep it in the refrigerator. After some time, అంటే after 5 hours, take them out in the refrigerator. What happened? The specific heat of the water has high specific heat. Watermelon contains more of water, so the more water contained in it, so the specific heat of water is high. We eat the watermelon, the teeth are you feel the coldness. So these are the applications of specific heat. Next, these are the applications of specific heat. Next, method of mixtures. So what is the formula of specific heat? S is equal to Q by M into delta T. What is internal energy? The average of all the molecules, the total sum of all the average of the molecules in the matter is called internal energy. That is potential energy, kinetic energy, rotational kinetic energy and vibrational energy. These are called internal energy. Next, the specific heat. Water has more specific heat. So water heat అవ్వాలన్నా కూల్ అవ్వాలన్నా it takes more time. So applications of specific heat. Watermelon is keep it in the refrigerator. What happened? Watermelon contains more water, so it cools, it converts to room temperature is in more time. Next, egg yolk or samosa, the ingredients have greater specific heat comparatively with outer layers. Next, another topic. Method of mixtures. Take two beakers. take two beakers. These two beakers is in this one is 200 ml and this one is 500 ml. This temperature is in 60 degrees and this temperature is in 30 degrees. The two beakers are mixed it. The two beakers are mixed it in larger beaker. What happened? They are getting room temperature. Both are in room temperature. Case 2. ml water తీసుకోండి. ఇది 90 degrees centigrade లో 100 ml water తీసుకోండి. 60 degrees temperature. These are mixed it in larger beaker. What happened? The temperature, this one is 90 degrees and this one is 60 degrees. This one is 60 degrees. Mixed it. What happened? Both are in at one of the temperature. 200 ml and 100 ml we have to take the beaker. The beaker maintained at the temperature is in suppose 40 degrees temperature. The two beakers maintained at 30 degrees room temperature and in this position they are again at the temperature of 40 degrees. So, and we take another beakers. These two beakers are maintained at same temperature and in these two beakers mixed it, they are at the temperature is at middle position. Method of mixtures means hotter body lose their energy and colder body gains its energy. Hotter body loses its energy and colder body gains its energy. That is called method of mixtures. Suppose this one is maintained at the temperature of 60 degrees and this one is maintained at the temperature of 90 degrees. Mix it well. What happened? They are maintained at room temperature. So, this one is hotter body and this one is colder body. This one is hotter body and this one is colder body. Hotter body loses its energy and colder body gains its energy. That is called method of mixtures. Method of mixtures means loses energy. Colder body gains energy. So, energy lost by the hot body is equal to మనకి తెలుసున్నది heat lost by the heat అన్నా energy అన్నా same హీట్కి ఫార్ములా ఏంటి? ms ఇంటూ డెల్టా టీ. సో మాస్ ఏమని తీసుకున్నాం? m1 మాస్ని తీసుకున్నాం. m1 ఇంటూ s ఇంటూ డెల్టా టీ, టెంపరేచర్ డిఫరెన్స్, T1 మైనస్ T. Heat gained by colder body is equal to m2 into s into T minus T. So, method of mixtures. This is Q1, this is Q2. Q1 is equal to Q2. m1 into s into T1 minus T is equal to m2 into s into T minus T2. S cancel. m1 T1 minus m1 T is equal to m2 T minus m2 T2. m1 T1 plus m2 T2 is equal to T into m2 plus m. m2T plus m1T. m1T1 plus m2T2 is equal to T into m1 plus m2. ఇప్పుడు మనకి ఏంటి? ఫైనల్ టెంపరేచర్ కావాలి. m1T1 plus m2T2 by m1 plus m2. ఇది మెథడ్ ఆఫ్ మిక్చర్స్ కి ఫార్ములా. 50 grams of water at 20 degrees temperature and another 50 grams of water at 60 degrees temperature. What is the final temperature అని అడుగుతారు. ఏం చేస్తారు? m1 50 grams, T1 30 degrees, m2 50 grams, T2 60 degrees by m1 plus m2 చేస్తే ఫైనల్ టెంపరేచర్ వస్తుంది. అంటే 50 grams of water at 30 degrees centigrade and 50 grams of water at 60 degrees temperature. What is the final temperature అన్నాడు? m1 T1 plus m2 T2 by m1 plus m2. సో ఇది మెథడ్ ఆఫ్ మిక్చర్స్. మెథడ్ ఆఫ్ మిక్చర్స్ అంటే ఏంటి? హీట్ లాస్ట్ బై ది హాట్ బాడీ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు హీట్ గెయిన్డ్ బై ది కోల్డ్ బాడీ. వాట్ ఈస్ మెథడ్ ఆఫ్ మిక్చర్స్? Heat lost by the hot body is equal to heat gained by the cold body. m1 into s into T1 minus T is equal to m2 into s into T minus T2. m1 T1 minus m1 T is equal to m2 T minus m2 T2. Calculate చేస్తే ఇది వచ్చింది. అంటే ఎప్పుడు కూడా hotter body loses its energy, colder body gains its energy. అది దీంట్లో మెథడ్ ఆఫ్ మిక్చర్స్ అంటే. సో heat temperature, what is the difference? What are the differences between heat and temperature? That question you read it. What is specific heat and its units? What are the applications of specific heats? Derive Q is equal to ms into delta T. The average kinetic energy of the particles is directly proportional to absolute temperature. The rate of rise in temperature depends on nature of the substance. How can you prove it? ఈ questions prepare అవ్వండి. Next, 0 degrees centigrade is equal to how many kelvins? 373 Kelvin is equal to how many degrees centigrade? Convert చేయండి. సో ఇవి ఇప్పటి వరకు ఈ టాపిక్కి సంబంధించినటువంటి క్వశ్చన్స్ రీడ్ చేయండి.